of boxes from Amazon Prime. Hi guys, happy Friday. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a recipe that I think you'll like. It is from my new meal plan and recipe book, Kind Keto, which includes all low-carb vegan recipes. And this one today is on day 7 for supper, and it is low-carb vegan burger buns. And the burger that goes into these buns for that meal are made of TVP, but I'm not going to be making those today, just the buns. And I've gotten a lot of great feedback on them, so I thought it was worth making a video. So to hold these buns together, we're using psyllium husk powder, which I think is just a total magical ingredient. It just makes baked goods so fluffy and soft and kind of spongy, which is really cool because a lot of gluten-free baked goods lack that texture because it doesn't have gluten to hold it together. So I hope you like these buns, guys, and let me know what you think of them. You can make them and take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I'm Savannah Stanhope now. So yes, I changed the name of my channel, my Instagram, and a bunch of other things now that I'm married. So that's how you'll find me. Okay, time for the recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye.